everyone, in this session let's see what a version control system is. What is a version control system? This is nothing but a software which will help or which will allow developers to work simultaneously. Also it will help us to have a detailed log of each commit we were doing, and it also helps in a maintaining history of every change. What is all that means? Let's talk about version control system and understand how it works. What is a version control system? This is nothing but a software which will allow developers to work simultaneously. What is meant by this? How it will allow developers to work simultaneously? To understand this, let us take a simple example. Let's say this is our project directory where we are having a project work which was on some remote location. And let's say there are a couple of developers A and B working on this repository. Whenever these developers have to make any changes to the project, they have to download it from the remote. That's nothing but pull, or in simple we can say download it to the local system, then work on it. So let's suppose A have pulled the project work to his local system, B have pulled. And A was making some changes on file 1. So B was also making changes on the same file. So once A's work is done, he want to put the file back, and he put the file back to the remote repository on day 1. Let's say B was still working on it and his work is done on day 2, and now he want to put the file back on day 2. Finally, A has put the file back on day 1, B has put the file back on day 2. So finally the file 1 present here will have only the person A changes. It will have only the person B changes, because person A changes are overridden by the person B changes without knowing. Means this is not done knowingly, it was done unknowingly by mistake. Like B doesn't know that he have overridden the changes of A does not know that his changes were getting overridden by the B changes. Meaning both are trying to work on the same file, because there was no system which can take care of it. Right, the file was getting overwritten. So imagine there could be a team of 10 developers or 5 developers. So if this keep on repeating, at some point the project will be in a very serious situation. Right, so to avoid this problem, we need a system which will take care of this, which will not allow one person changes to be overridden by the other. Means we need a system which will take care of the files without getting overridden, without getting messed up, and no person changes should be lost. So such a system is nothing but a version control system. Meaning version control system will allow developers to work simultaneously. There could be any number of developers working on the program files or the project work. So the file should not be messed up, should not be corrected. One person changes should not be overriding other. So such a system is called version control system. In version control system, if this is the case, like person A is placing the file, person B also making changes to the same file, it will not allow to override. It will give some warning or error message saying that already the person A have made the changes. How do you want to keep this file? Whether you want to keep changes of both, or whether you want to keep only one person changes. So that's nothing but conflicts, resolving the conflicts. We need to resolve the conflicts. So that's what the version control system does. That's one of the things which allows developers to work simultaneously. Also, the other thing is, let's say we made some changes and project was working fine till 9 AM IST today. But 10 AM we got some problem. Application crashed. There was serious issue. The business went down. Right? Immediately we need to identify the issue. So developers will be concentrating on writing the code, meeting the client's expectations. So again here we need a system which can have a detailed log of what are all the changes to the project, done to the project. Like what changes were done at what time, on which file, at what time. All this will be tracked by this version control system. So it will help you to do logging. Means such a system will provide a detail like what happened on which file, at what time, by whom, so that we can identify the issue, what led to this crash at 10 AM, so that we can revert back immediately without the business going down. So that's another thing which is done by version control system, having a detailed log of any change happened at any time. And again there comes another need like maintain the history of revisions. We may have different versions of the files, different revisions we may have, so complete history should be there. Backup should be maintained. Files should not be deleted or overwritten. Let's say we were working on version 1. Client came and say asked to modify it, make some modifications. Always have different versions. Don't overwrite this file or don't delete the older versions. Have backup of them, create new versions, because at sometimes client may want to revert back for the changes. So whenever they want to revert back for the older versions, don't ever delete them, because if it is deleted, again it's a rework. So always maintain the versions. So which is again done through this version control system. So version control system is nothing but a software which will help us, means is a system which will allow developers to work simultaneously, which provides with a detailed log of what happened at what time, on which file, on which line, by whom. All this detailed log can be provided. It will also provide history of versions for each file. It will also help in making up backups. So that's what a version control system does, which is a very important in real time, which helps developers to work collaborated.